ensure that contracts covering administrators are consistent with 2011 amendments to the Michigan laws affecting public school district administrators. Further, that the written notice of the superintendent is directed to provide Ms. Webb acknowledge that although there are concerns regarding Ms. Webb's performance, the decision not to extend Ms. Webb's contract at this time is not based upon those performance concerns, even though these concerns warrant non-extension.
Second.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Board of Education direct the superintendent of schools provide to Kelly Webb with written notification prior to March 1st, 2012, that her current contract of employment, which expires June 30th, 2013, will not be extended for the reason that the Board of Education desires to change the terms and conditions of employment for administrators and ensure that contracts covering administrators are consistent with the 2011 amendments to Michigan laws affecting public school district administrators. Further, that the written notice the superintendent is directed to provide Ms. Webb acknowledge that although there are concerns regarding Ms. Webb's performance, the decision to not extend Ms. Webb's contract at this time is not based upon those performance concerns, even though these concerns warrant non-extension. Roll call.
Trustee Meadows.
Discussion.
I move that we remove that last sentence from this agenda, from this motion.
Support.
Motion to amend approval of non-extension contract to read that the Willow Board of Education direct the superintendent of schools provide to Kelly Webb with written notification prior to March 1st, 2012, that her current contract of employment, which expired June 30th, 2013, will not be extended for the reason that the Board of Education desires to change the terms and conditions of employment for administrators and ensure that contracts covering administrators are consistent with the 2011 amendments to Michigan laws affecting public school district administrators. Roll call.
And what we're voting on right now is to remove the sentence.
Right.
Okay. Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
Trustee Thomas.
Nay.
Trustee Stevens.
Nay.
Trustee Myers.
Aye.
Trustee Stewart.
Aye.
I vote nay. Mr. President.
Nay.
No changes.
No changes.
So now, motion, roll call. So the amended of approval of non-extension.
No, now we're back to voting on the original motion.
Right, okay. Roll call on the original motion for approval of non-extension.
Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
Trustee Thomas.
Aye.
Trustee Stevens.
Aye.
Trustee Myers.
Nay.
Trustee Stewart.
No, and I would like to exercise my ability to say why I disagree. While I do agree with the need to clarify individual contracts with the CBA, I do not understand the last sentence in this motion.
I vote aye, Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries. Student discipline.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Board of Education accept time served of the student known to the board as 11-12-12-14530 with the following conditions reinstatement on 12/16 with stipulations as provided by administration.
Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Board of Education accept time served of the student known to the board as number 11121214530 with the following conditions: reinstatement on 12/16/11 with stipulations as provided by administration. Roll call.
Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
Trustee Thomas.
Aye.
Trustee Stevens.
Aye.
Trustee Myers.
Aye.
Trustee Stewart.
Abstain, I was not at the.
I vote aye. Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries. Student discipline.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the suspension of student known to the board as 11121214600 with the following conditions of reinstatement on 12/16 with stipulations as provided by administration.
Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education accept the suspension of the student known to the board as number 11121214600 with the following conditions: reinstatement on 12/16/11 with stipulations as provided by administration. Roll call.
Trustee Stevens.
Aye.
Trustee Myers.
Aye.
Trustee Stewart.
Abstain?
Trustee Thomas.
Aye.
Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
I vote aye. Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries. Student discipline.
Mr. President, I move the Willow Run Board of Education accept time served on the student known to the board as 11121214630 with the conditions of reinstatement on 12/16 and stipulations as provided by administration.
Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education accept the suspension of the student known to the board as number 11121214630 with the following conditions: reinstatement on 12/16/11 with stipulations as provided by administration.
Trustee Stewart.
Abstain?
Trustee Myers.
Aye.
Trustee Stevens.
Aye.
Trustee Thomas.
Aye.
Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
I vote aye. Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries. Student discipline.
Mr. President, I move that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the suspension of the student known to the board as 11121214700 with the following conditions: reinstatement on 12/21/11 with stipulations as provided by administration.
Support.
It has been moved and supported that the Willow Run Board of Education approve the suspension of the student known to the board as number 11121214700 with the following conditions: reinstatement on 12/21/11 with stipulations as provided by administration. Roll call.
Trustee Myers.
Aye.
Trustee Thomas.
Aye.
Trustee Meadows.
Aye.
Trustee Stevens.
Aye.
Trustee Stewart.
Abstain?
I vote aye, Mr. President.
Aye. Motion carries. Do we have any citizens
Yes, we do.
issues tonight?
Yes, we do.
Blake Nordman? Yes.
Say good
to